Yo guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a coin pickup. First you want to make a folder with all the assets that I will be giving you and the materials. Don't forget to call the folder coin. Go to blueprint class actor, call this bp underscore coin. Open that up. Once that's open, add a static mesh. Type in coin. And scale it to 25. File save, and on the static mesh we want to sphere collision, file save, get the static mesh, and we want to rotate this 90 that way. And if you add a rotating movement, this is how we can get the coin to rotate like that. Close event graph on the sphere, add, and here we want an equal, and this will be your player ref. So first what we need to do is begin play, get player character, cast, third person character, put that in, promote this to a variable so we can use it like that. Call this player ref like that, get that, put that in there, and then we want to branch like so. Lovely. And off this we can destroy actor for now. File save, boom, and where is it? And there you go. Once you overlap it, it gets destroyed. Now what we need to do is we want to go to the character blueprint. Open that up, make a variable for this coin collected. Make that an integer. Compile, save, make sure the default is 0. And we want to make a function. So if we go here, call this add coin. Like that. Guess it. And then we want a plus. Like that. And then we want to set it. There we go. And we can print string here, so we can see the values go up as we collect them. I'll save. Let me just drag in a few coins here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, like that. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're probably wondering, why is that print string not working? That will be because we haven't called the function here. So let's call it off your player ref. Add coin, add the function, and then destroy. So now if we play, you're probably wondering, why is that 0? That makes no sense. You want to go to your BP player and you're going to want to put a 1 in there. Compile, save, and now it will work. 1, 2, 3, 4. And essentially that is how you make a coin system. But if you wanted it to work with a widget on screen, I'll get to that now. Alright, so now we want to add a widget for the coin. Right click, use interface, widget blueprint, use a widget. WB underscore coin counter. Open that up. Right at the top, as you can see, we've not got a canvas panel, so head to panels, canvas panel. Then we want a text box in the canvas and create top right. Like so. I really don't know how big let's say like that. So call it 40. Compile, save, and let's name this text box coin text, like so. And while this is highlighted, we are gonna want to create bind. So right here, click create binding. Here we sent here. Alright, so it appears what we are missing is a cast. So if we cast to that's a character. Get player character. Like so. And then from this we want coin. So get coin collected and add that in there. Like that. You don't need that anymore. And now what we need to do is on the event graph here, event begin play, create widget, and you want to get your coin counter, and then add to viewport. There you go. That is how you make a coin system. And if you want an updated video where you add sounds and Niagara effects, let me know below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.